everybody. I promised you guys another box opening video. Woo, 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 woo. Anyway, today my second box came in. I got some goodies that I unboxed, and as y'all know, we all are practicing healthy measures still in our household. So we still, when a box come in, wipe them down, steam them, and steam each product before I get on the video. That's why y'all never actually see a box here. But anyway, with that being said, let's get to it. So today in my box, I got, oh yeah, that was the other thing. Breaking news. All my items was on sale from Amazon, okay? So one of the things I got was Blue Magic's original Indian hemp, and they call it herbal hair and scalp conditioner. Whew, smells so good. You guys, this item usually runs about $6. But your girl caught it this weekend on sale for $2.96. Yes, I said that. $2.96. And I bought this, I don't know how many videos back. I showed y'all when I got the other one that was coconut, I think, in conditioner, which I love. And it says with herbs, you can actually see that. And it smells amazing. So I went on and got this. You can't go wrong with a sale. The other thing I got in my box today was my Nature's Bounty Biotin. Yes, you guys, it's 2 bottles. I know, sounds like I'm being greedy, but I'm not. So if you guys remember in one of my previous videos, I told you how I learned from another YouTuber, and I would give her props, but I can't remember her name. I've been watching YouTube for a long time. She talked about when you do the biotin, the reason why people was having allergic reactions and things because they was just jumping right in. So what she recommended was over time, you would increase the MCUs of the biotin until you got to the 25,000 MCUs recommended to really take a strong effect on your hair and nails and skin. So I've actually been doing biotin for, I don't know, at least 4 to 5 years now. So I'm finally up to the 25,000 MCUs. And no, I don't always take them as faithfully as I should, but for the most part, I do. So the reason why your girl has 2 bottles, this one is 10,000 MCUs, and this one is 5,000. Because yes, your girl has finally got to the point where she's taking 25,000 MCUs. And while these weren't on sale, I got them at a great bargain price of $8.96 each. And if you guys buy vitamins, y'all know that is a great price for vitamins, okay? So I have these 2 here. It's for healthy hair, skin, and nails. I told you guys I'm not showing you guys my nails because I'm not a girly girl, so I don't keep them done and all of that. But I do like for my nails to grow, which is usually what I keep this for. And they say strong while you're cooking, cleaning, opening boxes, which a lot of chemicals we use break down our nails. So that's why I have that. Another thing in my box today is Body Wonders Essential Oil. And today I received the lemon. I bought Body Works before. I like them. They're pretty decent. I've used their lavender before. And if you guys remember, I showed y'all a different brand of lavender for 2 reasons. One, it was a 16-ounce bottle. And 2, because they didn't have it at Body Works. But I would have bought this brand again. This one I have the lemon. Smells great, you guys. Smells great. I love this stuff. And it also comes with a little dropper. Usually I get rid of this cap, put the dropper in and keep it that way. On the back of this box, they have, you know, things that you could put together to make different scents in your diffuser or however you're using it. I'm going to do at some point a total essential oil video. I won't share most of my recipes only because there's so many warranties on the fact that Oh, I know what happened. Okay. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry I had a couple of technical difficulties. Yeah, but anyway, so okay, so we talked about the oil. We talked about the grease that I got on sale for $2.90. Oh, okay. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, your girl has caught the best deal ever. So this right here is called Pure Daily Care. It is aroma therapy bundle. I've been wanting this thing for I think a year now. It used to be $46. This weekend I got it for I think $35. I think that's right. No, might have been 30. Might have been 30. I know it's $15 off. So anyway, this kit comes with this diffuser and a set of oils as well as a stand, which is a huge deal. If you love diffusers, you understand why we need the stand, okay? But anyway, I'm not going to open this right now. What I'm going to do is do another video for you guys for essential oils only. If y'all seen either earlier in this video or in a previous video, I showed you guys that I bought an oil case to organize all my smaller oils. So I'm going to put that all in one video together for you guys. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to pay the bills. So today, I'm going to show you how to make what we used to call back in my day powdered milk, but they call it nowadays dry milk. And it's made by Village Farms. We got this from Wise, I believe, for like $10. So me and the hubby, we don't drink a lot of milk by ourselves. So we buy like a half a gallon. We got this to fill in before we could get back out and make our market run, our emergency run. So I only make a quart at a time. And as this thing suggests, you should mix it and then put it in a glass jar and let it set overnight so that you can have the right texture and the right taste. So I actually kind of got started already. So this was water, which we pre-boil all our water. And then we put in a cup and 1/3 of powder. And you just stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Y'all remember back in the day when you used to make Kool-Aid? Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. And then y'all are going to have some nice, fresh milk. It actually tastes pretty good. Maybe like 2% milk, maybe. They say you can put more powder in it to make it thicker, or less powder to make it thinner. And then I like to rinse everything. I just have the cold water in there. And we're going to pour it on up in here. It looks so good. Back before my time, they used to drop milk off at people's houses in glass jars. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Dry milk. I want to take this time to thank everybody for watching us. Thank y'all for all your support. I hope that you guys are leaving comments down below letting us know items you want us to try or talk about or review for you guys. We also have, you will probably find this review on, if you guys didn't know, that as the Real Nesters, we have not one, but yes, 2 YouTube channels. One is called Crystal and James, and the other one is The Real Nesters, where most of our product reviews and unboxings will be. So you guys, please feel free to check us out. Like this video, comment, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, Instagram. The second channel is called The Thomas Family. Don't forget to, I'm sorry you guys, you know we got 2 channels. I told you we got 2 channels. So we got to keep up with it all. And don't forget to follow us, tweet with us, get on our Facebook group. Get on our Facebook page, talk to us. Y'all got all kinds of ways to communicate with us, family. And we just thank you all for all your support. We appreciate you guys, and we look forward to talking to y'all soon. Peace.